Today I'm at my newest listing, 4743 Maple Street in Lower Mount Bethel Township. Let's go take a walk around. As soon as you enter the home, you'll notice the brand new floors and fresh paint. Work our way past the refinished half bathroom. First floor laundry, then into this beautiful spacious kitchen with kitchen island and butcher block. Newer stainless steel appliances, space for a table for an eat-in kitchen, and then access out to your huge, beautiful deck. Now let's work our way into the dining room and living room. Then right off the kitchen, we'll work our way into the dining room with beautiful chair rail, with an open concept over to your large living room with high cathedral ceilings and open staircase. And we'll work our way over to the primary bedroom and bathroom. Here's your conveniently placed large first floor bedroom with your very own full bathroom and walk-in closet. Now we'll head upstairs where there's all brand new carpet, 2 bedrooms, full bathroom, home office, and a huge storage area above the garage. And now we'll head downstairs to check out your full basement with game room and huge storage area. And from here, you get a beautiful view off your deck, overlooking your secluded acre lot with nothing but beautiful views.